Anyway, today we are talking about relationships. Healers.
Hey, you're asking the wrong people.
Let me start here. Relationship issues. We've noticed a lot of healers. But I want us to start here. I'm glad there's a queen here, and cool. And I've learned ukuthi most abantu besifazana abambathwa amakhehla babaningi nama issues ma relationship. What's the problem? Can we talk about that? Let's start there.
So what happens is this, because siyagula. Nangu mathiliso. Ubuya namakhehla wakhe. Uthola nami nginamakhehla wami. And mina angilaphekile. Nomathiliso akalaphekile. Now, he Kaizer Chiefs ne Pirates. He Kaizer Chiefs ne Pirates, that's where you see 80% of them. Mhlawumbe especially egenge ethanda ama hit and run liyajolana, ufaka ubuhlali bakhe unanani ungumngoma, ibhukile guest house, usathi mhlawumbe usabhadala imali, uthole hayi. Why? Because already amakhehla asiphakama ayawubona wonke lo msakazo. Siyawachitha lamanzi manje ayikho leyo.
No, just to add on top of that, bazongifakazela. Do you know ukuthi sometimes kuyenzeka umuntu wesilisa uhlangana naye nacala nathandana uphelele iko konke?
Yeah, I've experienced that.
Uthandana nomuntu wesifazane akufica unemali, let's say for example no 100,000, kodwa from the day wathandana naye uthi uyabheka 2 months down the line awuna senda wena siyakwazi imali ukuyiphatha but wanele ukuthandana nalo sisi noma lo baba lo imali vele iphele.
But what's the reason?
It's a sign ukuthi ke lo muntu lo osilethele yena simfuni 1 2 lo muntu lo unenkinga kwakusho ukuthi khona into engekho right kuyena akagezekanga noma kune spirit nje singekho right kuyena. So ngizama ukuthi ke the signs will always be there ukuthi ke lo muntu lo u right for wena noma akekho right for wena.
Relationships are based on sex. Without sexual intercourse,
relationships are based on sex.
yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Without sexual intercourse, there are no relationships.
Wow, I didn't know
That's
that.
why bona umjita asiskimani mina naye. You understand? Immediately once you are having sexual activity nami and we are changing style, just not in you understand that because now in presence you are there.
Ushenja style kuphi?
Empathy.
Okay, I want to
You
hear
understand?
that.
When they are doing the scissor style, Utambo Lenyoka is doing his scissor style because now in presence yakhe. In presence yakhe. You understand? That one, let me tell you something. Lezinto siyazibika edlozini.
Yeah.
Bomkhulu, this belongs to you. Understand? Each and every time aso wenza into yabo, uthatha into zabo, uyayifaka to say I'm now representing you. And then why wena uyenza lento oyenzayo? Nabo de ufaka into zabo that when you dedicated those things to them. That means just know ukuthi umanzini na ushaya dog style.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. Your host, Chef Patanani Mbata. Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. My name is Patanani, I am your favorite host, and of course I've got my beautiful people. Good morning, good day, and good afternoon, darling.
Good afternoon, Chef.
Sawubona, siyabusela.
Ninjani? Uboyile? Uboyile? After beqeda ukungenela bekhuluma yonke abayikhulumayo usiza la ngetafula nizokhuluma indaba zobungoma isithunzi sobungoma kanti kwenzakalani ke?
No, you know, it is what it is. Ihlale njalo lento uyabazi abantu banjani. But then we are here to educate, we are here to inform.
Nazo?
That's what is important.
Nazo?
Yeah, so obviously, you know, you take what works for you. I like what you always say, take what works for you.
And you know, Ketla, I did say it earlier on, I'm going to say it even now. I want to give those people abahlale bethi ama-guest abayabheda le nto ekhulunywa la ayikho wezinene yabo, not in a bad way. If you think there is an episode, season, where you feel like ama-guests were not talking right thing, I'm giving you an opportunity. DM me, WhatsApp me, email me. Next month, when I'm shooting, I will be giving you guys that opportunity. I'm not gonna give you topics. Just tell me the episode and the season. Don't worry about the topics. You will be given an opportunity to come and sit here. I think manje kumele sibe honest. Sibeke izinto njengoba zinjalo. Because angeke sizohlushwa abantu disrespect abantu ngento nje engekho. So ngiyabanikeza abantu manje nginikeza abantu i-platform.
Q&A.
Simple as that. Anyway, let's ubuyile Khehla.
Hayi
Ungishengikhathele Khehla.
no abantu bayadeserve ukulazi iqiniso.
Ne?
Yeah.
Hey, Khehla kodwa ukhathaza i-host phela ukakhoda ukuthi ngi-host. Anyway, let me not take a shine away from you guys. Please introduce yourself. Who are you? Where are you from? What's special about you? And you are more than welcome to leave your numbers because Images and Thoughts is growing every day, every hour, every minute.
Okay. Unondabela, I'm based in Enadel. Yeah, there is nothing that's special about me that I can say. What's special about you? Nothing special about me, but I'm here to share a little bit of the knowledge that I have, and then here to learn also from Amakela. I hope now you learn something from this. Yeah, Yabong.
Thank you, Khehla. Khehla lang.
Yeah, angithatha leli thuba ngibingelele emakumba manomhlaba. uDR Mashele inyanga yophondo kundaba zingaphilisa ukuphela kwaZulu. uDR Mashele utholakala endaweni yaseThekwini kwaMakhutha. So kulabo basuke befuna usizo, mhlawumbe bafuna izithwalo, bafuna ukulashwa. Umuntu ubalekile ukuthi ke angasondela, bamukelekile bonke azolashwa. Asetshenzwe kodwa ke yonke into sicala lapha ekuhloleni so that sizowazi ukuthi lento sokwenzela yona ifuna ukuthi ke indlela yakho ibe kanjani. Kubaleke kakhulu ke kuloko ke. Bese ngithi ke kubantu ke bese asiyona imali, abantu ngeke basithande bonke. Asiyona imali, so wena enza umsebenzi wakho, uyazazi inyanga uyalapha isangoma umprofita lapha ngendlela ufundiswe ngayo, vele ngeke bakuthande bonke abantu. So ungabe nandaba ukuthi abantu bazothini.
Wow, and ngeke bakuthande bonke.
Yes.
Thank you so much. The queen is in the house. The queen is in the building. You are such a queen, darling. Every time I'm a gentleman, yeah. Anyway, please do introduce yourself. It's good to
It's good to be
like
back. It's good to be back.
home is where the heart belongs, my love.
Yes, it's good to be back. Ngiyavusela ekhaya, abomkhulu, ngiyazithoba. Those who have forgotten who I am, Yindlovukati Umakhosi Phunyuka Bamphethe. Mina ngila eGoli, south of Joburg. I don't know what's special about me. I rely on feedback from abantu engbasitile nabantu bangiva mangikhuluma ukuthi ngibasite ngani. Until then, you can't do shy. I rely on feedback.
That's beautiful.
So like umkhulu Shilo angiyona imali angeke uthandwe wonke umuntu. So we're here to teach abantu, and I was saying earlier before sishoot ukuthi ulwazi lwethu, it's like a school level, grade 1 to 12. Tata logo oku-relevant for grade yakho.
True.
Logo ngakafiki kulo kubeke uphakhe one side, uzitshele ukuthi okay mhlanga ukudinga, I know where to find it. Ungazami thatha yonke into.
Ngoba uzolimala.
Ngoba uzolimala bese uzothi asazi ukukhuluma ngani or asikhuluma izinto ezi-right kanti not because akakafiki kuleyo level.
Wow, thank you so much mkhulu, and ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ngithema ngikubiza waba nami lana. My prophet, when about when uphelele and nanginondaba la namhlanje kumele asitshele ukuthi uyachaza ukuthini. Anyway, please introduce yourself. Yeah.
I know siyathoba kakhulu. It's good to be at home, Munches and Thoughts. It's Munches and Thoughts. You noma ke kuthiwa there's only one source of truth. Yindoda evamusho njalo kodwa ke ukwenza kwezinto akufani nokusina kwamagosa akufani, so siyavuleleka ukutheni nathi sizoshare information nolwazi esinalo uMavuso Ncele etholakala eVanderbilt Mpumalanga, Emelo, Cape Town, Claremont, esilungwini. No ndabela bathi uhlala inadile esilungwini. So lezi inyanga zamanje ihlala esilungwini.
Lezi inyanga zamanje zinemali, ngeke ihlale zingabi nemali mavuso. Ziyathwalisa ngophondo, kuningi. So, you never know. But anyway, yeah.
No, siyathoba iloko kuphela 076 8466131 ku WhatsApp uma nisifuna sizotholakala lapho. Yeah, angeke sisho okuningi ngoba masithi senzani abanye bathi siveze imfihlo. Yeah, kodwa uphonda anginalo kwamanje ngisazwa yolanda uphonda utholakala ngale.
Anyway, thank you so much. My Banshees and Thoughts family. Basichazile ukuthi bangobani babuyaphi. I want to say thank you so much for your love and support. Umuntu ngabantu.
Njalo.
Umuntu ngabantu and kuze uzoba umuntu ngabantu kumele ufunde kwabanye abantu. Kumele sibekezelaneni. Kungabe ukuthi nje wena Mr. Know It All, Miss Know It All. Yes, bone ngasoninye kodwa kumele sikwenze ngenhlonipho nangothando ngoba vele we from different background. Anyway, today we are talking about relationships. Healers.
Hey, you're asking the wrong people.
Let me start here. Relationship issues. We've noticed a lot of healers. But I want us to start here. I'm glad there's a queen here and cool. And I've learned ukuthi most abantu besifazana abambathwa amakhehla babaningi nama issues ma relationship. What's the problem? Can we talk about that? Let's start there.
Athi ngihlale kahle. You know ijulile lo mbuzo wakho Sonjingas. Here's where the problem comes in. As you know, amakhehla afuna ukudominate. Afuna ukudominate all the time. So abanale tendency yokuthi akukhethele ukuthi umuphi umuntu wesilisa ongathandana naye aze akushade. But they look at things like ukuthi as yena awumuntu wesilisa lo muntu uzo provider a support financially kuko konke abe yindoda the way yena he would have been. Ngoba kuba nale thing yokuthi they protecting you as a woman as well. Abafuni ngawo uyiqanda lamakhehla akho. Ngiqanda lamakhehla amini. So abafuni nix ngawe, so they pick umuntu wesilisa babonayo ukuthi lo uzokwazi ukwenza yonke into. Uzo provide financially, indlu, abe emotional support, enze konke. Ingane amangeke iswele lutho. And maso itholile leyo relationship leyo bayaqala bayakubheka. And if utatazela umuntu wesilisa, they take over. So mina I'll be more feminine njengoba ngiyindlovukati if I'm with umuntu wesilisa or masculine. Lo babonayo ukuthi yabona lo ayindoda. Ingane yethu angeke iswele lutho mayithi funa ini iyalo, and then they allow me ikhehla liyahlehla abogogo kube yiba bahamba phambili ngikwazi nami ukukhala ngithi
So basically ikhehla liyabheka ukuthi lo muntu ozempilweni yakho is he fit enough to take over.
Yeah.
Wow, interesting. Let's hear others.
Okay. All right. Lendo le ngifuna siyibuke manje. On somebody who's spiritually gifted and umuntu who's non-spiritually gifted.
Okay.
So what happens is this, kunabantu aba spiritually gifted, especially those who are supposed to go through the initiation. Umuntu suka gula. That's why we call it ingulu. That means uyagula wena. When you look at it nowadays, 80% of abantu abanobizo bayaflopa kuma relationships. Why? Because umuntu, especially those who went for intwaso, ma uyothwasa, that's when la kumele khona ufike ulapheke khona. You cannot have somebody obuya thwasa abuya zoba indoda la. You cannot have somebody obuya thwasa abuya zoba umfazi. Why? Because there are processes that are being done. Ukuthi makuthi umuntu wesifazana kuhlekiswa amakhehla to say you know ukuthi lo muntu nimkhethile kodwa umuntu wesifazana Alright, nanoma umuntu ayindoda to say we know ukuthi limkhethile kodwa bogogo ake nithi ukuhlehla kancane and then you only come through emsebenzini wabantu abadala.
Okay.
Alright, but then kune tendency yokuthi labantu the so called spiritually gifted banenye behavior yokunoka yokuthi umuntu wakhona wenzani ngenwa amakhehla mina ngitshelwa lutho mina and ubabona ngamagama khona mahlala entabeni mafile empini and then what's going to happen there now if a man uzimahlala entabeni kwakho uzimahlala entabeni kwakho kuze uthambo lenyoka already. But then if we have uthambo lenyoka esigodlweni sakho endumbeni yakho, why? Because ulaphekile wena ngendlela thizeni, so it makes things easy there. You understand? It makes things easy there because iningi labantu bayathwasa baphume lokho bagula. And then umuntu uzambona sekafika umuntu usekamereni nomuntu wakhe uyaqala now uyaswela lapho ufaka umhlaba namabhayi na yonke. So all these things, then that's where the problem comes in, whereby we're saying abantu who are spiritually gifted, 90% of them mabama hit and run. Why? Because bayagula.
Abantu are spiritually gifted, 90% of them. Can you hit and run? One night stand, basically.
Even two nights. We understand. But then, no one joke, but this is the problem that we're having. You hardly see abantu spiritually gifted. About a family setup sharp. Why? Because it's always imimoya thizeni eyingulo iyangenela umuntu ndobugogo asho ukuthi yena athi no so manje mina I'm not all that powerful maybe ngendlela thizeni but lo muntu bekumele alapheke ngalesi sikhathi agula asesibhedlela. And then she came out of the hospital agula and then that's
something's
when
wrong.
Something's wrong there.
Wow. Ketlam, do you have anything to say?
Yeah, ngifuna uqeda nje kancane njengoba ugogo nomkhulu sebeshile. Yeah, sinenkinga kakhulu. Thina sabantu ababalaphi when it comes to ama partner wethu because I'll make an example ngami. I've divorced 3 times. 3 times. Imshado yakhona futhi ibinga last. The first one, it was 6 months. The second one, it was 3 months. The third one, it was 7 months.
No, I understand the development. He can run.
So, amakhehla akumina noma izinto noma amandla engiphathise wona. It cannot allow ukufika umuntu wesifazana obuya kwesinye isibongo uzele ekhaya uzoba umfazi, right? But ukwazi ukuthi ke ebusuku wena ulele indoda uyavuka uyoma lapha kubhala khona uyophafuza lapha ya uyabhema. Yayizwa leyo nto spiritually amakhehla la kuwena kushuthi wena kahle usumfazi yena useyindoda la ekhaya. Right? So leyo nto remember labantu esinabo noma izinto esinazo zikwazi ukubona ngale thina singakaboni. So omunye uthi usathandana naye ngisho uthiwa umthanda kangakanani but uthola ukuthi senihlukene awazi na ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngabe ngiyenze ngoba lo muntu ngibenzela everything ayikho into angayitholi, right? Because of ispirit esikuthina nespirit yena asuke eza naso lento ayihlangani shuthi kahle kahle basically amadlozi wethu omabili angeke akwazi ukuthi avume thina sihlalisane ngoba omunye uyothola ukuthi ke ungenwa amakhehla, right? Ngingenwa amakhehla. So obvious amakhehla ngeke akwazi ukuhlalelana. So naloko ke kuyenza ukuthi ke abantu most ubone isikhathi esiningi uma ungabheka inyanga eziningi nezangoma especially thina samadoda sinengane eziningi la ngaphandle because isikhathi esiningi uthi usuthi ubambile uthi la ngiyahlala la ngiyalobona bathi hayi lutho khohla ngeke sikwazi lo ngeke abe umfazi wamakhehla ke lo.
But I've got a problem anyway, but as my problem when you're done. Are you done?
Yes.
Yes, Ketla.
Yeah, Tia. Asiqale la. Uyabona indaba yokuthi I so wish people can be trained ukuthi what are the attributes, yiziphi izinto ofuna uzibheke uma uthatha umuntu. Unfortunately, a lot of us find a relationship first before we discover who we are. Nokuthi sihamba nabo bani, nokuthi siphethwe obani. And once you have a discovery yokuthi unabantu abadala kunendlela okumele wena uphile ngayo, and there's an expectation over your head, uthola ukuthi usonalo muntu la ngoba wena wawuhehwe ama-hips noma izinto ey'thile, but usutholakala manje ukuthi lowo muntu is not fit. First, number one, ngokuzaleka kwakhe. Number two, ngezimo zempilo asadlule kuzo, akasakwazi lo muntu ukuthi angaba umuntu ongaphatha noma okufuneke aphakele amakhehla akho wena othi uhamba nawo. So ebese lo muntu loyo ayamxwaya emkhiphela ngaphandle, ibese leyo relationship iyaphela. But number two, we need to emphasize ku point la nondabela ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi, because of negligence nokungazi ukuthi usagula wena, usadinga ukuthi ulashwe, usadinga ukuthi u-accept i-calling, usadinga ukuthi ugezwe lobudloti bakho ney'talo zakho hamba nazo zikwazi ukuhlaliseka kahle lapha kuwe. This is the reason why you find ukuthi ke manje lento othi uyibheke kakhulu relationship iyaphela lapha kuwe. And number three, it's training, because there is a type of training ekufuneke ibe khona uma ngabe umuntu ophethe abantu abadala nosebenza ngabantu abadala ukuthi ubudlelwano benu buhamba kanjani. Awuhlali cishe ngakhuluma indaba, awuhlali uactive noma uphondo livukile all the time. Kufuneka uba nesikhathi la omele ube umuntu khona okwazi ukuthi nikhulume izinto njengabantu, hayi ukuthi wena usuyabhonga la umahlala entabeni nase bedroom. Kube nendlela yokuthi ezinye izinto zikwazi ukuthi zithotshiswe zihlale kahle esimeni salabo bantu ukuze umshado wenu uye phambili.
Wow. Khehla ngifuna ukubuya uthi usudivorce ka-3.
Yes.
And umlaphi wesintu.
Yes.
But it's for everybody, this question. It's just that I'll start with you hearing your story. Kanti idlozi alikhetheli njengabalaphi besintu, alikhetheli na umuntu lik-align with the right person, or maybe liyakhethela lik-align but because singabantu decided. I don't know, I just don't know, but it's for all of you. But I'll start with you, Khehla.
No, ikabili lento. To answer your question first, yes, idlozi liyakhethela.
Okay.
But wena ke as a human being njobe sechazile ke umfowethu ngale. Uzobuka izinto wena, uzobuka usisi omuhle lapha uthi hayi lona inhliziyo leyo akulona idlozi wena lo uyahala uthi hayi la ngiyathatha ngiyalobola. Okay, because usisi ufuna into ayifunayo naye abe right. Only to find out ukuthi along the way and nama sign abakhona ukuthi man yazi abantu abadala bamfunda umuntu. Yebo, I remember I had someone ukuthi njalo bangizodibana naye ngivele ngikhathale. Njalo mangizodibana naye ngivele ngikhathale. Njalo mangizodibana naye ngivele ngikhathale. So ke I think 3 to 4 days then I had a dream ukuthi oh okay ngibona ikhehla ke limthela induku limkhipha. Ngiyazi ukuthi kwenzakalena emveni kwalokho gogo. Na kanjani wathatha izinto zakhe wahamba. Yebo, so let it tells you ukuthi okay, as much as wena umfuna but abadala babangakam accept makungeyena umuntu loye abamfunayo, she'll never stay or ngeke ahlale lo wesilisa.
Wow.
So ke ithanda ukujula lento.
Ijulisa ikinkinga
ijule kakhulu
nesikhathi
ngoba umusu uyibheka uyilandela futhi enye into ephinde iede kulezi zinto lezi izinyanga ziyahamba niyahamba niyolanda izinto, right? Bazongifakazela olandileke angithi so uyahamba yolanda into uthola enye into abakunika yona, the more ifaka imali the more ifuna ukuthi wena ulana lo muntu wesifazana lo ulale nalo ulale kusasa ulale nalo nomunye ulalela nalo ulale ngalo, the more ulana abantu besifazana abahlukene imali the more ingene. So leyo nto obvious akekho umuntu wesifazana ozohlala naye isikhathi eside. Ngisho kungathiwa ukuthanda kangakanani ukubekezela kangakanani ngisho kuthiwa ulethwe idlozi ngoba wena usuhambe walanda umkhubo othile noma isithwalo esithile wasilethe ekhaya esiphila ngegazi labantu besifazane njalo asifuni ukuthi sihlale nomuntu wesifazane oyedwa ngoba sisuka sesigenile whatever sigenayo kuyena so asisamfuni
siyathatha si
Yebo.
Khehla lami Nondabela, do you have anything to say on my question?
Yeah. I've forgotten the question. What was the question?
Let me give Khuluphonyuka is the question. Uzothatha la.
Pendule sonke ngase amadlozi ayakhethela njengoba umfowethu asho la. Ama red signs, ama red flags abakhona. Uwe o decide ukuthi maybe ngizolungisa ngizonegotiate namakhehla ngizowachazela because wena uthanda lento uthanda and if like I'm sure umkhulu will agree ukuthi after unkosikazi wokuqala owes2 he thought whatever was a problem ngokuqala ngizoyilungisa ngowes2 yabo ngizoba calm down ba explainele ngibapolice into ezolunga bayakhethela ama red flags abekhona uwo decide ukuthi awafuni and the one thing I know ngamakhehla ukuthi banendlela ebafuna izinto zenziwe ngakhona if lo muntu omlethile idalwa zakubo zingavumelani always amadlozi are selfish they are bullies bazobheka ukuthi okay bambatha kunani kwaNondabela kunani that's how basikhethela ngakhona ukuthi what does this person bring to the table what does this person bring to the table and you're only as good as what you bring, you know. And once lento yaphela bayamhambisa yonke into ine expiry date unkosikazi wakho might be there for 20 years ukuthi uzufike whatever position mele ufike ngayo either edlozini or as umuntu wesilisa and then ahambe qhamuka omunye ozodlala indawo yakhe.
Awu manje ngivuka nonkululeko lapha khona. Awuwa Nondabela siswe.
That's how it is.
Abadlozi
the role they play.
Yes, Nondabela.
Yazi ukuthi lento senza 80% of the people esiphila nabo siyayikhethela thina. One thing for sure, imina ngibona lo phakile lo islender lo beauty lo njani. It's me, that's my choice.
Yeah.
But then what you must understand as a spiritual person, birds of the same feathers flock together. All right. Mina ngeno amakhehla beka nabafazi 7. And okay, ngijola nawe okay ngempela ngiyacaca I marry you is fine. And then so kumele ngijole nomunye. Nowadays we call that cheating. But in real life it's not cheating. Indoda I cheat. We understand. Indoda I fair. So for me to marry the second one, kumele ngimjole.
Yo Nondabela.
Angithi ngoba angeke ngimane ngithi wena ngifuna ube ngumfazi wami wesibili from kumele ngijole. Siqale sitshontshane siyenze whatever ngubone ukuthi lo ushaya zona. Okay, la ngithatha ngifaka
waiting period.
Yeah. So what happens is this now. When we say amakhehla ayakhetha. Mind you ukuthi sonke sinamakhehla sonke sinabogogo. Angithi. All right. When we say amakhehla ayakhetha, are we simply saying ukuthi amakhehla for abafazi abawu3 singabali laba angabashadile bama 10 rand. Okay. So from these 3 amakhehla la all along ebesenza yibona kade khetha lama 10 rand. No, yena uyo bekayenza into yakhe ayibona ukuthi lo phakile lo sharp lo islender lo yellow board. But then what happens is this, amadlozi they come a time where they interfere in our relationships. Why? Because sebebona ukuthi okay when umkhethile lo phakile ufunwa wowe it's fine. But then lo muntu lo uthola ukuthi kubo mhlawumbe ukhona ukuthakathi thizeni ukhona ukungcola thizeni spiritual amadlozi asesithi no lo asimfuni. And then uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe omunye uyaphuma uyashayisa somewhere phandle amadlozi nawazi idlozi liyayibona lento but lo ungcolile lo because they are things that she's doing or he's doing is wrong and then now they start to disagree. But then it all starts with you ukuthi lo nguye ngiyamthanda and then that's all. And the other thing, mina I don't believe ukuthi vele umuntu uyakwazi ukuthandana naye without you fixing him.
Without fixing umuntu.
Yeah.
Umfixa kanjani?
Umfazi akushela namhlanje akuqoma namhlanje first week maso sazi ukuthi lo mama ngifuna ukumthatha lo. Umlungise.
Umfixa kanjani Nondabela?
Simple. Umlungise ngazo zonke indlela
Because uthi simple, I want to understand.
le nto ihamba kanje in our culture as black people umfazi uyalungiswa in our culture indoda iyalungiswa
Ilungiswa kanjani?
all right mind you ukuthi umuntu okokuqala umuntu wesifazane noma uyindoda ma ukuthi angeke nje uthi ungumuntu ongumama uhlangana nomuntu nenkomo nje le nkomo ayicatshiwe ayinazi izibambelelo ayinani ezivini inkomo ya grade R no there must be something that shows ukuthi now when you are an adult that's why ubona kuba khona izinto ezenziwayo angithi mkhulu uthe sifuna amantombazana siye entabeni bafika bagcabwe lapha understand ukhona abantu abafana bayentabeni what are we doing there sibafaka ikhonkwana ngithi ukuthi ube yindoda ngempela wenza u-A no B and then you find ukuthi all right like mina unqoma namhlanje after 3 months ngiyakudlisa I make it a point ngiyakufuna you understand ngumsazi ukuthi ngiyakufuna ngiyakuthanda after 3 months I'm fixing you yeah and I make it a point why after 3 months ngiyakuthatha ngifake ebhodleleni ngiyafaka ake uphume la why because that's why we're having this problem that's why we're having a lot of people now we've got the highest rate Gogo of HIV infections because abantu they are not stable anymore now we have got a very big problem whereby we have got amapara everywhere because all these kids they don't have stable families so the only thing umelapho indabuko where we come in is to fix the society understand mina ngisithemba isangoma esingenandoda yazo angithembi into engenandoda yini understand umthemba kanjani umelapho indabuko ongenamuntu wakhe so umelapho indabuko wama hit and run so that's where it all starts ukuthi for us to say let us fix relationships mind you we fix the spiritual part of it and then we fix the physical part of it.
Thank you, Kate. You know, I love what Mkhulu is saying. It's true.
Siyahleka kodwa iqiniso.
Yeah, ngoba kumele sihleke phela ngeke sije you understand. Mavusa kakhulu mina bathi awuphelele wena. And yiyo lento ethi awuphelele. Yeah, let me hear your thoughts, Kate.
Yeah, bengifuna ukuqala lapha ake siqale la ekutheni. Yazi laba akuthiwa bakhethelwe yibo abalwa kakhulu. Abangana peace kakhulu kuma relationship where you find ukuthi this is the chosen one okhethwe idlozi walethwa la ekhaya why baxabana kakhulu is because it does not end ekhethelweni uma labo umuntu sebekhethele still kusane imiso kusane izinto spiritual ekusafuneke zilungiswe from both sides ukuze ukuhlala kwalomuntu nokuhlala kwenu kuphelelwe yabona uma ngabe lona eqhamuka from the background la kunama spiritual cases khona noma kunento efuneka ukuthi ilungiswe idlozi will try by all means to draw your attention kuleyo nto ukuthi kusafuneka ulungise lokho yabona another thing asingayibalekeli uma ngabe uzofuna ukuthatha intombi ake sithi awukhethelwanga wena uyayithanda le ntombi ufuna ubuka ugogo wakhe ubuza ukuthi ugogo wakhe ushadile yini uqale lapho ukuthi ubuza ukuthi umama wakho yena washada yini yabo osisi bamama wakho noma anti bashadile yini bona yabo because that's why the apple does not fall far from the tree so ufune ukwazi lapho ukuthi ungazifaki otilatayeni ngoba you miss your destiny and the purpose uNkulunkulu akulethele yona emhlabeni because uganwe kabi yabo so you must not marry a knife, you must marry a wife.
Oh, wow, there's a book and the wife. I'm loving that. But you know, Mokoko nomkhulu bengihlale mina ngizibuza namanje ngisazibuza ukuthi mara unabangani aba spiritually gifted. Uthola ukuthi umkhulu nomkhulu ugogo nomkhulu. But our relationship our last. Why like two spiritually gifted people our relationship abenga last? Is it because ababekezelelana or into yamanje these modern sangomas they are not they are there for their own reasons? Why? I want to start with you, because you spoke about ukuthi when umfazi uyayilungisela 3 months uyangidlisa, which is I don't think it's a bad thing. Nami vele mangiyithandela ngiyovuma nje ukuthi ungidlise or kanjani my friend. Yes, don't have it.
And you know what? Lento ake siqaleni la. Ake sithi thina okay. Umkhulu nomkhulu, ugogo nogogo, umkhulu nogogo, it doesn't matter. Relationship is relationship. But what happens is the spiritually gifted people, inkingi la, 80% of them, lento sibiza sithi yingulo for a reason. Yingulo for a reason. So ma umuntu agula, there must be some sort of a treatment that person gets. All right. Umkhulu uyagula ngesimo semimoya, ngesimo sabantu abadala. All right. All of a sudden uthola uMatsidiso. uMatsidiso uza nemkhuba yakhe. Yena unamakhehla ahamba nawo. Understand the mind noMatsidiso unawo amakhehla as well. Wonke umuntu nabo gogo nabo mkhulu. All right. Amakhehla la abesebona ukuthi no, ngempela lo muntu umthandile wena. But I-character yakhe nathi angeke kuze kube khona unjani ukudlelana kahle. And then the other thing, especially those who are supposed to go for initiation, that's when the healing part comes in, whereby laba bafika khona bakushaya ngokhamba bathi no ake nihlehlele emuva bogogo angithi ake nihlehlele emuva bomkhulu, and then you only come out malo muntu sekayenza into yena, the one that you actually want to perform kuye. So what happens is this, because siyagula nangu uMatsidiso ubuya namakhehlo wakhe, uthola nami nginamakhehlo wami, and mina angilaphekile noMatsidiso akalaphekile. Now he Kaizer Chiefs nePirates. The Kaizer Chiefs nePirates, that's where you see 80% of them. Mhlawumbe especially egenge ethanda ama-hit and run, liyajolana, ufaka ubuhlali bakhe unanani ungumngoma, nibhukile guest house, usathi mhlawumbe usabhadala imali, uthole why? Because already amakhehla asephakama ayawubona wonke lo msakazi. Siyawachitha lamanzi manje ayikho leyo. So that's why it's important abanye bahlekiswe emuva.
Man, we're talking from experience, ne?
Sorry?
You're talking from experience.
Angidlenile sezimhlophe mfethu.
No, ngizohamba nje inyathelweni zakhe. Uyibeka kahle ngendlela ayibeka ngakhona, ngoba angithi siye sithi ke ndlondle ezinkulu nine nibona la thina singaboni khona. In simple way it means bazi into ingakenzeki. So obviously wena ngokwenyama uzomfuna uMatsidiso nje bese shilo uthi uyamthatha ngempela uyamthatha, but bona sibabonile ukuthi uMatsidiso nje bezela kuwena number 1, especially nowadays. Ngoba phela obviously ufuna sivume ukuthi ke omama bethu nabo babethu nabo mkhulu wethu kule generation esiphila kuyona azange baphile kuyona. Futhi ke thina sisenkingeni kakhulu, ngoba thina ke kuyenzeka manje ke indoda amadoda lapho ithi thatha umfazi yothatha i2K. I2K laza amalungelo. I2K alazi umehluko phakathi kweculture namalungelo. Lithatha into yamalungelo lizoyifaka kuculture. Kanti iculture into yasekhaya, into eyisintu uyakhuliswa. For example kwaZulu there's a process okuthiwa ke kunamatshiji ne. Yes. Basuka lapho kunomemulo yonke lento leyo yenziwa. But nowadays especially kwamanye ama province ayisenziwa leyo nto. So uthola intombazane encane nje of which nakhona ke you cannot blame it because bana malungelo. If I'm not mistaken angithi umuntu ona 13 uyakwazi ukushada manje ne. Ngazi noma ngirong. 16. I think it's 16. Yeah. Uyakwazi ukushada. But ngokwesintu umuntu ona 16, do you think wena mentally
is ready,
he or she is ready ukuthi ke angaba umfazi leyo muntu? Because number 1 loyo muntu usefikile ke, okay, uyamtshela ukuthi ke umuntu onabantu abadala uyaguqelwa, right? And then athi ke akukho umthetho ongiforsayo ukuthi angenze leyo nto. Ukuthi yabo lo muntu umixa iculture nomthetho.
Wow.
So
Yeah.
Obviously leyo nto izohamba ibe nokushayisana.
You reminding me someone I interviewed like Manches and Thoughts. As much as I'm not gonna mention names, that person said but because I don't know. Now I'm hearing you, and yes, you know people by comment, and I was shocked because namangazi ukuthi umuntu nabantu abadala futhi nangaphandle ukuthi kumele uzube umngoma umuntu omdala nje kumele umhloniphe.
Yeah.
So I was shocked, but anyway, I think it's fun. It's the same thing with ama-2K nakudala angeke fun. Mkhulu.
Nami ngizocathuza ngapha. Umkhulu Nondabela ubambe point ebalekile ukuthi mangabe kungakalapheki ngakahlehliswa abogogo nabomkhulu. It adds to that point ebengithi mina masengifikile ngumkhulu Phunyuka. If bangalaphekanga, that's when the masculine energy will always be there. But mangabe ngilaphekile ngiyakhona ukubonakala ezindlovukati ngihlonipheke. They'll even tell you, serving them that side, poured drinks, offered food, Yes. That's when, because ngilaphekile ikhehla allows me ukuthi ngibe umuntu wesimame. It allows me ukuthi ngibe the natural. Kodwa, it's a thin line between kodwa to ukuthi yabona manje uyasihlangisa. And then ikhehla liyaphuma, but that's got nothing to do ngingalapheki. Ukuthi ikhehla njengomuntu wesilisa it feels ukuthi umntana sodlala ngaye manje. But naloko it's very clear. But lizongivumela ukuthi ngibe umuntu wesifazane ngenze yonke into, I
think it's going back earlier on mawuthi amakhehla akho they need someone to protect you.
Yes.
And if that person is failing, that's when they come in.
That's when they come in. That's when they come in. So umkhulu makakhuluma ngokuthi siyasho ukuthi bovula kuvaliwe babona ngale bazobona ukuthi lo muntu lo as much as akhona ukuprotect and but there's a dark side yakhe engavumelani nawe. And because wena sesikulethe up to this stage, either financially, emotionally, spiritually, so ndlule intweni eziningi. In the long run, uzokuhlupha uNondabela, and it's got nothing to do ngokulapheka. It's just the way abantu besilisa baba ngakhona babona ngakhona ukuthi ngala uzokuhlupha down the line bese niyahlukana ke.
Prophet.
Okunye nje I think we cannot sometimes spiritualize everything. Okunye is just training. Ukuthi umuntu afundiseke ukuthi uma umuntu wesifazane uziphatha kanjani, yabona, because over and above ekulapheni, over and above ekubahlanganiseni labantu uhlanganise idalwa zonke kuganiswe izidalwa la ekhaya zomuntu bangabe umngoma ukhamukala ukhama khona nezidalo zakho uzogana komavuso. Kuyaye kufuneka ukuthi wena njengoba uzoshisa impepha la ekhaya awukwazi ukuzokwenza lokho uma idlozi lakho lingakaliganisi. So zonke lezo zinto those are errors esiwabonayo ukuthi I contribute kakhulu, but I also want to emphasize training, yabo, nanokuthi kwesinye isikhathi imfundiso nje umuntu afundiseke ukuthi indoda iyahlonishwa umuntu umhlonipha kanjani, and vice versa nasekuhlonipheni nawe uyindoda. And also knowing the times. Sometimes I tell people ukuthi I can live with a madman ungabi nankinga, because I just need to know what triggers him, and I need to know ukuthi how to manage him once he's triggered. Yabo, so ukuhlala nomuntu kwanedlozi vele ziye iphinde idrayele emuva kulabantu bamadlozi ngoba bake baphinde babe baphakanyelwe umoya esithubeni nje nithi nisahleka, yabo, because a spiritual person is like the wind, awazi ukuthi uyale noma uyale, yabo. So you always need to have that type of training uma unayo lo muntu ukuthi manje sisajoka kodwa sikhona lapho sajoka hayi manje
singasuka bane bipolar basically. Anyway, thank you Mavuso. Yes, Nondabela.
Okay, I like the word you used, bipolar. All right, I sense so. Me myself as uNondabela, what I believe in, Koko. It's simple lento. Labantu bane bipolar la. And then when you can't be following bipolar yomuntu every time. You understand? The only thing in the Enzo issue, anyone umfazi othi nguphuphile bathanda ukuphupha nguphuphile kunomuntu emotweni idlozi lami liyangibonisa ngibona ethizeni mina ngiyabona automatically that's the sign ukuthi now kumele umlungise lo muntu. Understand? Umfazi okuphuphayo usemjolweni fix here. Inedlozi elirongi elizokuchithela umuzi wakho. Why? Kunamadlozi azomphuphisa into azomphuphisa umjolo imali amphuphisi yonke into enza amphuphisa ukuthi uNondabela uyajola. That means lelo dlozi liyisichitho lelo. Lelo dlozi lizobuya lizohlakaza umndeni because each and every time when akazuphuphe nenamba zelotho awuphuphe into siyahlupheka uphupha uthi ngijola nabantu. All right, abafazi abanjalo that's where isikhonkwane sothando comes in.
Yeah.
Fix them. Wena ungumngoma uyabhodla awubhodli ma umthanda umuntu wakho uphela faka lento isikhonkwane faka lento ebhodleleni simple because angeke ahlale each and every day namhlanje uyabhodla kusasa unebipolar kusasa uright kusasa uyakuphupha akusho ukuthi phela uyagcina umnyama njengami naloma umhlophe because at the end of the day you will always have stress kulento kanje mkhulu. I always say this, anyone onengane A1 anyone onengane A1 washela umfazi wathi nginengane umdlisi. Anyone above 25 years mamthanda faka idliso faka ebhodleleni simple because lo muntu usenemkhuba thizeni. You understand? Usenemkhuba thizeni and then that's why we are having a lot of hit and runs because what Nondabela ke kungitshele wena mina ngahlula umavuso mina.
Second experience.
Une-experience yokwalana lo muntu. So when the only thing ukuthi umfixe kuphela. So the only thing mina what I always say is this. Mind you ukuthi we don't create people.
Yeah.
Umuntu uza ne-character yakhe.
Yeah.
And uza enye sharp enye bad. Wena ikhona le part oyithandayo. Fixa leyo part oyithandayo.
But amadlozi akho aphi because they need to align you with the right person. So because now wena uthanda uMatsidiso, even when your guides are aligning you with Urose, when you will stay with Matsidiso. Is that what you're saying?
No, ayikho into ukuthi idlozi lithini.
Oh, okay.
Idlozi angeke lilast for 12 months lijolana liyashayana liyenza yonke into. Lithini idlozi olalo? After 12 months idlozi khali sithi lo akekho right hayo.
You had my question, the alignment. What does it say?
You know, the alignment. Ngicela ukukhuluma yizo umuntu wesifazane.
Yes.
I don't know if yenzakala kubo bonke abantu besifazane because I've always been spiritually gifted. So that's all I know. But as umuntu wesifazane amakhehla mawuhamba nabo they align you from day 1 day 2 ngoba khona into abayibonayo kumavuso khona into abayibonayo kuNondabela ukuthi this is what they bringing to the table. And like umkhulu asho bayakulungisela ezinye izinto ukuthi we can overcome this. And it's a give and take thing wena uletha lokho because namadlozi akhe lo muntu wesilisa mele abone something good in you. That's where the alignment I've learned over the years ukuthi iba khona where amadlozi alo muntu wesilisa lo omthandayo naye abakubo and especially mina in my experience especially since I've divorced sebakhetha even if amapedi or amaZulu or amaXhosa or they've gone down to that ukuthi angeke uthanda namapedi mawubuza bazokutshela ama hit and run wami uzoba amapedi ngoba bazongitshela ama reasons amapedi asenzani singamaswati 1 2 3 and then you think ngempela and then uthi uzama umXhosa but hawu ngeke chin ngeke bese you learn those things and bazokukhethela umuntu right and mawubhekisisa kahle to the T mina ngikhuluma ngento engiyiboni bazokutshela kahle ukuthi the reasons funa uye kumaXhosa or kumaSwati in it's because of 1 2 3 bakulandelele all these things and you're like okay and now masofika I relationship mayihamba uyabona uthi okay
that's it. Prophet.
Ngifuna uku-emphasize something kuNondabela not ukuthi mhlawumbe ngiphikisana naye but you see labantu bemoya bayahlupha ngoba it's not all of them ongabadlisa and sometimes sekushayana kamaqhudeke noma ukusina kwamagosha ekutheni idliso lakho lakhe kanjani ngoba elinye lifika idliso abantu libagulise uyabona elinye ukuthi uyamdlisa kuvele kube worse kakhulu ngoba kusuke kuqhela ke manje lezidalwa ukuthi ethi uhamba nazo. So I think the best way before sifika la kuleli dliso uma serious ngempela is the alignment. Alignment is not only in the side of idlozi. Kungenzeka idlozi liqondanisele nomuntu. Kodwa sekuhluleka wena manje ngokuthi nawe awusilona isoka. Nawe awukwazi ukukhuluma nempatho ayikho la kuwe, you've not been trained. So uyahluleka ke ukuthi manje ugcine lo muntu wesifazane ekuthiwe ukhethelwe yena, yabo. So alignment can be physical and spiritual. Uthola ukuthi ke manje hambani ke phela manje ganisenani ke hlanganisani khunganani le mimoya yenu ukuze ikwazi ukuzala. That is still part of an alignment but on your side. Ukuze nikwazi ukuhloniphana nithobelana, uyabona. So before you get to the part yedliso, all those options that you must exhaust first, uyabona. Ukuze izinto zakho.
Thank you. Uphondo inyanga yophondo. Let me hear you.
No, just to add on top of that, bazongifakazela. Do you know ukuthi sometimes kuyenzeka umuntu wesilisa uhlangana naye nacala nathandana uphelele iko konke.
Yeah, I've experienced that.
Uthandana nomuntu wesifazane akufica unemali, let's say for example no 100,000 kodwa from the day wathandana naye uthi uyabheka 2 months down the line awuna send wena siyakwazi imali ukuyiphatha but wanele ukuthandana nalo sisi noma lo baba lo imali vele iphele.
But what's the reason?
It's a sign ukuthi ke lo muntu lo osilethele yena simfuni 1 2 lo muntu lo unenkinga kwakusho ukuthi khona into engekho right kuyena akagezekanga noma kune spirit nje singekho right kuyena. So ngizama ukuthi ke the signs will always be there ukuthi ke lo muntu lo u right for wena noma akekho right for wena.
Yeah, Ndabela, that
Okay.
comes.
Yeah. Okay. Yazi kulento kanje mkhulu. Nami ngizathanda ukuvumelana nami mkhulu. Kunabantu abanesichitho saphansi.
Isichitho sangaphansi.
Yeah. Kunomuntu othi ungahlangana naye ngocansi. Immediately uhlangana naye ngocansi, things start to go wrong. Why? Because abanye is because of ubuthakathi. Abantu abaningi nowadays people are fighting over ama relationships. Umuntu uya kumkhulu uthi ubani uthethe indoda yami ngifuna ukumenza uA no B. Immediately lo muntu mhlawumbe umfaka isichitho leso. One thing for sure, wena wahlangana nomuntu onesichitho, that seems nawe because you are now sharing in that connection, spiritual connection. Into zakho ziyaqala ukuthi zingahambi kahle le. But then angithi what you must understand, the problem nathi izolo bewuthi umuntu wesifazane before uhlangana naye, as long as ehlangane nabanye abantu besilisa bathi ugejwe izandla zamanye amadoda ngesinto angithi. Why? Because already lo muntu ulale nawe walala nawe usezolala nami kufana nokuthi nami ngilala nawe naye, because the energy is still there. Akageziwe lo muntu izandla zalamadoda. So that's why ubona and lento eyokudlisa, if you know the process yokucaca, umakoti uhladliswe nge-first day azongena kuthiwa kunenyama elungiswa yasekhaya ahladliswe. Let me tell you something, whether you want it or not, there is a better man somewhere. Emuntwini wesifazane there will always be a better person. Ukhona onemoto engcono, khona o good looking kunawe, ukhona onjani. And then the other thing, thina madoda, we're not meant to have a single partner. That one that's the truth. Umfazi osilenda ngiyamfuna, osidudla ngiyamfuna, opakile ngiyamfuna, onjani ngiyamfuna. So that simply means I need to be tamed. And that's why ubona abogogo bebethi makoti woza la awuthatha A no B no D no C wenze kanje, siyabazi bayabheda lapho. You understand? Nawe because you know ukuthi umuntu wesifazane obvious every day uyashelo. I want uyagcina mbona umavuso at least umavuso light in complexion nayo nondaba.
Okay, Ndabela. One, uthi umuntu wesifazane kunesichitho sangaphansi.
Yeah.
It's only for abantu besifazane or namadoda now.
Namadoda.
Okay.
Na amadoda ikhona indoda engakuthola into zakho zihamba kahle. Ulale nayo things start to go wrong. Why? Because lo muntu ufaka isichitho thizeni. Ufaka isichitho thizeni. Mind you, most of the people what they don't understand, relationships are based on sex. Without sexual intercourse,
relationships are based on sex.
yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Without sexual intercourse, there are no relationship.
Wow, I didn't know
That's
that.
why I want to asiskimani mina naye. You understand? It's simple land. So the whole thing is based on income. All right, that means you have to protect leyo nkomo, uyilungise leyo nkomo ukuze kusasa abantu bangashaya ama-hit and run. Thina siqala sifuna ama-hit and run. Namanje ungambuza ukuthi umfazi wakhe endlini, why iplan yakhe was hit and run? Nah, you can't because you cannot meet somebody today emashop so uthi mina ngifuna ukukushada. No. Iplan yakhe ukuthi mhlambe ngizashaya after some time so ubona i-character yakhe ube khona into oqala ukuyithanda ngithi.
Thank you, Nondabe. My Munchies and Thoughts family, I hope you are still enjoying this episode with my beautiful, handsome guests that are with me. Darlings, this is Munchies and Thoughts. When you come here, you need to be open-minded because anything is possible. When you're watching Munchies and Thoughts, you need to be open-minded because anything is possible. That's why the show is called Munchies and Thoughts.
Munching. Thank you.
Okay, I want us to go to this thing now. Nginizwile nikhulumile sikhulume ngama-alignment sakhuluma ngesichitho nokudlisa kwabakuningi nemishado what now angithi uma umuntu onabadala uma uzoshada kumele kuhlanganiswe namadlozi. I don't.
Yes.
Are you with me? Good. Now I want to understand again. You divorced. You are divorced. Have you ever divorced? Okay, but you shadile. Ushadile or une girlfriend? Ushadile now. Yeah. Ngifuna ukwazi ke la ukuthi uma sekuhlanganiswa namadlozi, uma sekuhlukana futhi, ayahlukaniswa nawo na. That's what I want to understand.
Now let me take this one first. It's true. Uma ufika umuntu onabantu abadala njengogogo kanje, before mina nasishada physically, spiritually ufuna sishade because kunalabantu abakuyena nalabantu abakumina. So sidinga ukuthi labantu siba align babe together, right? But inkinga icala la. Remember masenza lento kusuke kusemnandi ne? Masiyoshada. But the day we get divorced, usethi nqa nami ngithi nqa. There won't be any time yokuthi athi hayi ke ngicela ke manje spiritually sihlukane. No. Kusuke sekuliwa la. Usefuna half lo 10 million wami manje. Yabo? Ngithi ngeke. Uthi yena naye ngeke sawusebenza subabili. Yabo? Ngithi mina ngeke wena wafika la ekhaya unganalutho. Namhlanje ngoba okay imali ngiyenze nginawe but ke ufike nana ufikanga nalutho manje ufuna ukuhamba no 5 million angeke. So siyaxabana kubana kwaxabana. So ngeke sibe khona isikhathi sokugezwa. Yabo? Noma sokuthi ke sithi ke ayi abantu abadala ingane yenambani nayo. Remember ke manje bashadiswa labantu, right? Useyahamba uyothola enye indoda. Sengihamba ngithola umunye umfazi. Unani la emzimbeni kuyena? Unalabantu basekhaya. Ayikho indoda eyohlala la. Akekho umfazi uyohlala la. Because spiritually kukhona umfazi okhona noma amakhehla khona kumina. Spiritual ukhona amakhehla hamba naye asekhaya. Akaza agezwe lo muntu. Ingakho for ukwenza example uyazi ukuthi ukulala nomfazi womuntu oshadile ukuthi kuyibhadi.
Wow.
Because it differentiate kuma culture ne. Omunye umfazi mayengena uhlatshelwa imbuzi ayogezwa ngenyongo abikwe emsango. Kuthi nina amadlozi ala ekhaya kaMashili. Nangu umakoti uyangena ke manje. Mungamelene nimgade nimbheke nimvikele. Uyabuya ke lapho ndoda amadoda usezoshela umfazi wami. Ulala naye. One njobela nalo akasala naye yedwa unamakhehla ala ekhaya. Aseyamshaya amakhehla izinto zakhe ayisalungi. Asabathe uyahamba uyagezwa uyenzwa nokuthiwa ayikhona mina wala nomfazi womuntu. Right? Ngebhadi ke athi uyabuyela kanti nomfazi wayechitha naye. Usewashona. Kuzinto zakhe ilungu ukufuna enze njani abuye ezela ekhaya azokhuluma iqiniso. Ungakwenza lokho bekubulala abantu. fike ekhaya uzositshela ukuthi kade unolani umakoti wala ekhaya eshadile.
Awungeke ufuna
Uyayibona ke manje. So ezinye izinto lezo ezenza ukuthi ke kube nenkingi. So because must remember ekhaya ukushadwa kusuke kumnandi kujatshulwa. Kodwa and kusuke kunabantu but there is divorce ubeyibheka lento. Isuka no2.
You say on this matter.
Qiniso. Ngoba sho ikhehla kumnandi manishada. Yes. Yeah, where do you sign? Yeah. Yonke into imbuzi mayingene kusondele. Yonke into is done. But mase nihlukaniswa akekho nomdala noweza wazolobola umkhonyi akasezi naye azothi usakhumbula samthela ngenyongo manje mele senze ini. Akusekho khuluma lento le. Mina in my own personal experience, I don't know if wasebenza ngoba ngihamba namakhehla who want to take ownership angithi, who want to give me back my power ezingane yabo. Mina I had to do a ritual ngoba njengoba shikhehla benginalento ukuthi i10 million yami cha ngeke kuphume nayo. And ungathola ukuthi bona mina I'm thinking ukuthi as umuntu wesilisa ngithi wolobole mina. You know these things ukuthi bekumele ngabe sihlukanise nasedlozini khona impilo kamakoti izoqhubeka azoganwa futhi. But which man would want that for his ex-wife ukuthi ayoqhubeka and live a life and whatever? In my personal opinion, I don't think umuntu wesilisa would want that. So they may know ukuthi usiko luthi mele si reverse ngokwesintu sihlabene imbuzi sithele ngenyongo but angeke. And if now ungazi now nizohamba bye divorce fine. But mina ngoba bemele ngithwase ngathwasa after divorce. That's when all these things came up. It was like ngeke uthwase umbatha mele ubuye esibongweni sakithi. So I had to nomndeni wami nogobelo wami and everyone reverse it. Ezinye inyanga bayangiphikisa bathi it's not possible. Mina ngiyakutshela to date it is possible because it happened with me. I saw the results. You know mazogijimiswa amakhehla alapho bowendele khona bakubuza ukuthi makoti uhambeleni. Lo makoti lo amthathile manje asimaza simfundisa wena. So uyabona kuba
nazi inyanga zizositshela ngento oyishoyo usiqela.
My prophet.
Diese phane zikhona la sizositshela. Yes.
Ngono yazi umuntu mayefile. Kahle ngeke ngabona I was passing indawo ngibona amathuna khona abhala ukuthi phela indaba. So and I was thinking to myself, yeah, yazi emathuneni indaba iyaphela ngempela ngoba it becomes easy uaddressa izinto zomuntu oso kanjalo. Ungakhona lo muntu kumlahla umgeze umsuse esimeni sakhe salowo muntu loyo ukuthi angaphinda amlandele but kuba akusiyinto elula yona ngoba kusekufuneka inyongo yabona blood for blood covenant you cannot break a covenant ngoba yenziwa ngegazi bese wena ukuthi uzoyi break nje ngokukhuluma yabona. So sekufuneka ukuthi enye inyongo ezokwazi ukureverse leya yabona but akusiyinto elula. I would really encourage abantu ukuthi before uthi uyashada wenzani think that thing through because isikhathi esiningi even noma sekwenziwe ukuthi sesisebenzisile enye inyongo sa reverse that process kusanezidalwa clinging ukuloya umuntu loya esamlandela ukuthi thina sazi ukuthi la kunje uyabona. And remember ukushada uma uthatha unkosikazi noma uthatha umuntu so ungamthatheli wena. That's why uhamba umbese uzumbese inhlabathi abantu abalele yabona ngoba lo nkosikazi usukumdedicatela to idalo zakeni umuntu akabi nomuze enjani esaphila nawe uyovuselwa abantwana bakho. So now that's the binding thing yokuthi ke ifike lento ibese iba inkinga lapha kakhulu.
Nondabela.
Yeah. Uyazi ukuthini mkhulu? I would like to agree with you there. Mind you, ukuthi thina we don't have a divorce at all as Africans. We don't divorce. We don't even have igama esingathi divorce uthi ngeSotho, ngeSpedi, ngeSivenda, we don't divorce. It does not exist at all. What happens is this. when you have decided to divorce, mind you, you now belong there. Maufa, ungwajwa there. Ungwalapho wena. Mind you, the covenant that we have made, bayawukhipha kini. Bathi sesiyamkhupha manje. She does not belong here anymore. And then bazobika la ekhaya. And then you decide after 7 years, I'm pulling out. It does not happen like that. Most of the people, they will struggle to have a relationship agreed afterwards because our spirits, they are still connected. Like what she's saying, we understand. So, what I can say is this. The whole thing, let us not divorce. To avoid all this drama, let us not divorce. It's simple.
It's simple, not
Because if she was my wife, if she was my woman, divorce. You understand? Right? It does or not does. Why? Because the only thing what we are lacking now is rights. When you make a covenant, which means 24/7, there is no retreat. Spiritually, we have made a covenant. That means we have made that covenant, and then for us to say we are going to break the covenant again, it's not easy. We are understanding. So what I'm simply saying, especially to Abela Bendabo, especially to anyone who's spiritually gifted, one thing for sure. You use what you know to sustain your relationship. You use what you have to sustain your relationship. I was hurt when somebody said, I'm not very you understand? And then lasted for 3 months. And that one 3 months. At least I show for 2 years. You understand? So that's why at times you use the resources that you have to fix the problem that you are facing.
But now, I'll start with you. And I've seen a lot of sangomas. Maybe my next husband is a sangoma, who knows? Nabo bayahlanganiswa ngenyongo. That's what I want to understand. Amadlozi wabo bayahlanganiswa or mhlambe kwenzakala the other.
Okay. What happens is this ukhona umunye wathi mina isithombe isithombe saphathanani because bekacisha fane nawo. You understand ngathi hayibo ngathi akusiphathanani lo wathi akusuwe. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Let me tell you something. The covenant doesn't stay which it must be a man and a man.
Okay.
Or a woman and a woman or a woman and a man. A covenant is a covenant. Okay. If you are in a relationship, nomuntu wako umthanda, it doesn't matter whether it's man to man, woman to woman, or whatever, but the covenant has been made.
Okay, no, I just wanted to understand that. Anything you want to add, am I guess?
Yeah, ngivumelana naye, ngiphinde ngiyiphikise kancane when it comes to our culture. Sabantu abamnyama but different cultures, right? Kunama culture being gay bayithatha njengokuthi isifo, right? So automatically abayi approve, right? Legally it's there, approved, but when it comes to their culture, but no. So obviously uma ufika kulabo bantu uthi as a man I'm bringing my partner, which is another man. Ngiyamthanda, ngicela senze kanje. Then they will say, kanjani namfana kwayibona yenzeka lapha lento le. Yebo? So somewhere somehow it's not because ayenzeki. Njobe ishilo mkhulu. Iyenzeka. As long as kuzoba nalento ezohlatshwa kuthiwa nangu sesimfaka la ekhaya. Izokwenzeka. Wedwa uyindoda nomuntu wesifazane. But ifika isale kuthina abantu, right? As a community, as a culture, I-culture la ekhaya ithini. first akazange kube khona umuntu oyigay la ekhaya wafika ozongena, right? So iba surprise and then iba yenza futhi ukuthi bangavumelani nesicelo sakho noma nendoda yakho njengendoda oyiletha ekhaya, yebo? Kodwa not to say ayiyenzeki noma angeke iyenzeke. Izokwenzeka. It's just that bona bayi approve. Ngoba sijwayele ukuthi okay la ekhaya indoda ilobola umfazi. Akaze kufike enye indoda. Yebo? Then ngibuyele emuva ngithi mina okay. Amadlozi akhona, right? Amadlozi la ekhaya athule athini kuba khona enye indoda ezolobola enye indoda, right? Remember phela akhona. Kusho ukuthi amadlozi la ekhaya ayi-approve lento. Ukuthi indoda ingathatha enye indoda.
Yeah.
So obvious uma so hlaba le mbuzi simbike semamukele la ekhaya. Bazombatha.
You want to say something?
Yeah. You know what? Kulento kanje. Sinabantu thina esithi lo muntu unengwenza amaswati. Why? Because there is a reason why umuntu bekathi makadlula emhlabeni. Or phela this thing of amagay is not a new thing.
Yes.
You understand? It's an old thing. And there are some kings and queens that we know who were gay. But because of the culture, there's into besiyifihla ngendlela thizeni because of society. But then what I want us to understand is this. Kunomuntu othola ukuthi the covenants, they don't matter. A covenant is a covenant. It's not based on culture, it's spiritual. So spiritual covenants and cultural activity, they are two different things. Bese sithi thina, all right, kunomuntu thina sithi ma adlule emhlabeni, lo muntu mhlawumbe bekathandana ngobulili. And then 80% of the people, not 80, 50%, abantu bathi izangoma ziyasuka ziyothwasa umuntu mase kabuya sekathandana ngobulili
ofana nabi.
We understand. Mind you ukuthi we are provoking spirits. As much as we are provoking hunters, provoke ababe nomonas, provoke that means we are going to provoke those ababe fihlakele godwa ngendlela thizeni, and then now we are provoking them. They want to manifest now. Ngendlela
I
thizeni.
love what you're saying.
So bise sithi 50% umuntu usuka mhlawumbe uyathwasa umkhulu uright unonkosikazi wakhe. Makafika sekaqala ujola nami. Mind you, birds of the same feathers flock together. Nami nginayo leyanto vele yokushayana. Naye unayo leyanto yokushayana. So what happens is this. Now we are connecting spiritually. Mina naye always saying it. If it was lakho lingelesonto, you can't come to me with ngizokutwasisa because of kaloku khuluma ngeichitho zoqala ukukhuluma ngani. So there must be something that connects you with your gobela spiritual. Bonke abantu abathi mina sengithandana ngobulili. You look at ugobela wakhe naye unemkhuba efanayo. Naye unemkhuba efanayo. So lento ibisisithi ake silungiseni la. When we are saying ingulo, that's what we are talking about. Ingulo, it simply means you are spiritually sick. Kunabantu ababe uthola ukuthi umunye umuntu naye sithi ingwenza futhi odlule emhlabeni anganayo ingane at all. Odlule emhlabeni mhlawumbe angaganile. Yonke lento, that's when we say come we heal all those spirits. That's why there's a process of cleansing. Sikhuluma ukuthi sigeza lokho nalokho. That's why ngithi any sangoma othwasile, and then leso sangoma asishadile, sithwasile, siyagula. Because mind you, wonke umuntu oqeda thwasa, mawuthwasa ingane zakho azishadi, ingane zakho azisebenzi, abafowenu bayahlupheka, kunama divorce ekhaya, yini oboyithwasela wena? Because the whole purpose yokuthwasa is to fix umsamo wasekhaya ukuze abantu bashade, bayakhe, bafuye, kube khona something that happens. Umuntu wathi no, yazi mina bengayitholi ingane, yazi umzala wathwasa and naye sengithola ingane. That means there was something that was wrong that when you have corrected.
Okay, thank you. Mavus.
Yeah, yashaya le ndoda. No, injalo. I remember healing begins with us. Kukhona nokuthi abantu babe exposed to spiritual activities. Not ukuthi bayothwasa ukuthi bazolapha abantu, but to fix umsamo
wasekhaya.
Nezinto ezibhekene nasekhaya. And yeah, ukuthi ke phela sesahlakanipha manje engisho ukuthi although siphatha indaba yama covenant angifuni ukuthi sishiye lento ukuthi there is no hope for those who are divorcing because kuyenzeka ukuthi vele ayikho into yenze njani se akusekho ukureverse uyabona umuntu udivorceile and kufuneka abuyele emuva manje ikhona indlela ekungenziwa ngayo. I had a case of someone uyazi ukuthi uma ukhishwa inkomo kamama ikhishwa umuntu ongakatholanga umntwana noma actually lokuthola umntwana is even siyahloniphisa kahle ikhishwa umuntu ongazanga osane khashaza noma usaneliso uyabona so kuyenzeka ukuthola ukuthi umuntu uhambile balithathiso elsewhere lathatha umthiya kufika umavuso manje uyabona and because lo engizomthatha ngoba anganayo umntwana akukho obvious ukuthi iso selithithi bese ngiyakhishiswa lenkomo kamama. It's an error ukuthi ngikhishwe yimi because lenkomo kamama kahle ufuna ikhishwe umthiya owathatha iso nguye owahlaba lapha owahlaba inkomo yaphuma igazi uyabona lo ohlaba inkomo nguye take it literal as it is nguye ophatha indondo yabona okumele akhiphe inkomo ezinaleyo nkomo le. So all those things are weights in the spirit. Kunomuntu lo wayefuna ukushada uthola ukuthi akasakhona ukushada ngoba unomntwana nomunye but uthi lona ke hayi kulungile mina inkomo yamama ngingayikhipha abasathandana kodwa ke uze ngiyikhiphe woza ke usefuna ukumbiza futhi yabo manje uyabona ukuthi useyinkingeni ke lona owesifazane because usenitholile umuntu oright ofune ngabe uqhubeka naye ephile kodwa lona umbamba ngokuthi ukuze mina ngikukhiphele lenkomo kamama ngiyavuma but woza ke phela la amanzi emakhona phinde eme futhi
Ugebengu phunyuka bemphethe.
But all these are weights in the spirit esisho ukuthi we need to be sibe nawo lama discussions lawo ukuze abantu benze a very informed decision ngempilo zabo ngoba ungathola ukuthi ukunento nje eyichashaza esekonelayo othola ukuthi wena you were naive and uyidlalela nje ekuthuleni kwakho ungazi ukuthi in a long run leyo nto leyo it will come. Yeah,
Do you have anything to add?
No, all I'm saying, as I'm thinking, this thing you would lapha mandi eme khona. Yakumsela amanzi ahambi.
Anyway, I want to ask this question now. Besikhuluma ngokuhlanganisa, right, Amadlozi, and I did put my own questions because sometimes I also want to learn as a gay man who still wanna get married, and I've been doing Manchas and Thoughts. I'm learning from you guys every day, and I don't want to do mistakes. And I'm writing in my new book. There's a chapter about that, and I'm also working on something that I can't reveal now. And so I'm not good. Now I want to understand. Ukukhunga idlozi nokuhlanganisa kuhlukana kanjani lezi zinto lezi?
Sorry Khahla ngicela ukunqoma ilimi kancane. Makhuluma nge-gay men. I remember I once had a patient who was lesbian, who is lesbian. When she came endumbeni yamazohlola bekafuna ukungena nomuntu wakhe. Ngamtshela ukuthi usemjolweni you can't come uzohlola nomuntu wakho. The first thing abantu bakuba bayiveza makahamba bathi she didn't come and tell us ukuthi manje sekathanda ubulili ofanayo. So she needs to sort the thing out before we can approve anything empilo yakhe. Ngoba into yakhe impilo yakhe was like this now. Ukuthi thina sazi ukuthi sine umzukulu wesifazana intombazana. So manje siyambona ubusy namanye amantombazana. So kumele asibikele eze aphahlelwa abazali ukuthi nangu ke ulindiwe decide ukuthi ufuna ukuthanda namantombazana and
So kubalekile ukubika.
Kubalekile ukubika. So I just thought let me bring that up as
No, yeah. Okay, ukukhunga besikhuluma ngokuhlanganisa manje abantu understand ukuthi ukukhunga nokuhlanganisa kuyafana makufana nje mangafana kufana kanjani. Ngizoqala ngawe emkhulu.
Ukukhunga nokuhlanganisa
Idlozi.
idlozi.
Yeah.
Two same thing, two different things. I'll explain why. The reason I'm saying kuyafana kufani is because, right, ukuhlanganisa, right, we talk about amadlozi ahlukene, okay, then we bring them together. Siyabahlanganisa kube kuhlatshwe leyo mbuzi kwenziwe le ceremony. Sisho ukuthi yebo khona omkhulu siyanihlanganisa namhlanje, right? And then the second one, it's uwakhunga.
Wakunga, yes.
Right. When we talk about ukhunga, according to my understanding, we talk about something ekhona, right? Nayi. But idingwa ukuthi ke lento itshelwe, right? Noma isuke ihlanjulula noma yenzelwe something ozothi ke ngale mbuzi bokho nomkhulu ngizona ikhunga ukuthi yamukelana naye lengane esanda ukuzala la ekhaya.
yazi ukuthi injani le mkhulu. All right. Last I said sishawa ngamagama. The process yokuhlanganisa it's called ukukhunga.
Oh.
Yeah.
The process yokuhlanganisa it's called ukukhunga.
Okay.
During ukukhunga kuyahlanganiswa.
Okay.
So the other one is a name and the other one is a verb. The other one describes the event, the other one is names the event.
We understand. So, okay. Mind you, ukuthi makuhlanganiswa awungeke ukuthi manje niyajolana nishayahlanganisa. So, makuhlanganiswa that means there are some things that have been done and the process yokuhlanganisa is the process yokugaqa kahle kahle. Well, that's why ubona umuntu athi no masihlola sithola ukuthi no there is a problem when ubangwa yidalo. But no, but they did white wedding, we grew up, but then still because there was no covenant that was done ukuthi no thina lo mntwana siyamkhipha la ekhaya usengwakasibani banyana. So that means angeke uhambe ukukhunga, especially abanye bathi no besijola sabe siswezi sabe besiyahlanganisa imimoya. No, you can't do that. So those are things that are creating problems in our spiritual realms now, to say we know of a certain process but we are doing it at the wrong time. Because angeke ukwazi ukuhlanganisa without ukulobola.
True.
Ukulobola comes first.
Before
and then so when nishana ama hit and run seliyafuna uyahlanganisa because niyakwazi ukuyofuna impepho kwamayimaye and do all these things, then it creates problems. It creates problems. So lapho I think injalo gogo, because most of us mina what I know ukuthi abantu abaningi they think it's about the cultural stuff. It's not about the culture, it's not about the tradition, whether you are Sotho, you are Venda or what. It doesn't matter. These things are covenant. It's spiritual to say what is it that when you have agreed upon and then we have actually taken that agreement to your ancestors to say, Mina, this is what I want.
Okay, thank you. My munchies and thoughts. I hope you are still enjoying the episode. I did say to you guys that I've been doing this show for long now, and of course, me, the face. And to you, my guest, I'm learning new things every day, and we are lost. I'm gonna say it with confidence. We are lost. Manzi wafuthe intweni zemimoya nezinto zesintu kusekunenge kusamele sikufunde. I feel like kuningi okwenziwe mara kukhiwe phezulu. We've got shows. Some of them I do watch them. But now I'm saying ngihlezi doing my own research. I'm like, no man, something wrong here.
Yeah.
That's why I bring some of the things here. Because I'm listening to you now, and not only you and other guests, and so honestly, my munchies, what I want to say to you guys, take what works for you. If it doesn't work for you, leave it. But if run with it, because this is munchies and thoughts. Mavus. No, Kulpunyoko.
Yabona lento yokukhunga nokuhlanganisa. Like amakhehla shilo. It's the same thing, but I find it at the same time. And yonke into, it's about timing. And not everything in the relationship is spiritual. Mele na ubheke na ngokwakho angeke uqale nizwana for 3 months so ya propose yini so ibonile. It's the same thing nokukhunga nokuhlanganisa. Mele kube nento oyibonayo ukuthi okay la siyaphambili and then you do the process. Kodwa ama process, this is where it's important ukuthi abantu mele bafundeke ba understand izinto, especially if you're going to start venturing out kwizinto ze spirituality. Ama engagement ngithole fancy ring, it's fine, but once you start going deep into spirituality uzofuna ukuhlaba uchitha igazi, that's when you need to really do your research ngoba ezinye izinto you can't reverse. Or you can, but ziba nama side effects amaningi that will affect you for the rest of your life. So it's all easy ukuthi bathi kuwe mawuhlangana uzojola nesangoma kumele usikhunge.
So mina mangadibana nje nesangoma sami nje somele ngisikhunge.
Ayithi that's a buzzword. That's a buzzword. Nesangoma saziloko ukuthi no kumele ungikhunge before you and I can go. But then kumele ucabange nawe kumele ufunde ukuthi what exactly does ukukhunga mean? What does it entail? What does it learn? And then you're able to say cha ngiyathanda lindiwe kodwa cha ukukhunga ngeke, because then it's a different soul tie. Usifake ey'ntweni. So kumele sifunde nje.
Ukuthi kwenza mafus, let me hear your thoughts before.
Yeah, I think it's at different levels. We must acknowledge that kukhona vele akusilona icala ukuthi umuntu umkhunge mhlawumbe ngemali emhlophe. It's an introduction. Kufana nokuthi uye emanzini ufike lapha kunamakhosi asemanzini before ungena uzofike ubukhuleke wenzeni. Uzile la indoda yophondo uzokhuleka ophondweni nami ufuneka uze
Cha uyathanda lo phondo semayi.
ufuneka uze nokuthile
Awuyathanda ne? Hayi kumele ubumbe.
ufuneka uze nokuthile. That is why because umuntu umsamo first as a person. So now you can't approach an altar empty-handed. Okusho ukuthi uma uza that's why ngithi is at different levels. Kuyamukeleka lokwe 1 rand nanokuthi ke ukhulume leyo nto leyo ufuna ukuyikhuluma ngaleso sikhathi. Kodwa once you take a step further waso ufaka lokhu kwembuzi okufaka igazi, then that is sekuyindelelo leyo kufana nokuthi ungayiletha intombi yakhe ekhaya kodwa le ntombi mawuyiletha la ekhaya uzoyiletha through abosisi bakho noma through abobani kodwa la iyahlonipha just ukuthi simazi ukuthi lo muntu lo ubhuti kunomuntu onjeni uyabona, kodwa hayi ukuthi lo muntu umletha la ekhaya first day usomisemsamo sekuyokhulunywa ukuthi hey lo yamuntu ngubani bani, ngoba that is on a different level. So ngizama ukuveza ukuthi lezi zinto lezi zokukhungana kanjalo
Inkinga kumele uzazi.
ziya different levels and azihlukile azifani yabona. So it matters ukuthi yizipho othi uyazenza and uzenza okunye sokwenzile nanje ukunondabela akasho khuluma ngamalobolo kukhona vele okunye it's a no go area ukuthi sengaze ngichitha igazi nike ngisajola.
So can abadala show you a person nenze umhlanganiso nomkhungu could be great, then later on they said no we made a mistake. Basically I want to understand, can they change their mind?
No, okay. According to me, that means laba badala banjalo, they are in connection nama Nigeria somewhere. There is something that they are doing nama Nigeria somewhere, because it will never happen in Njalo. It will never happen into Njalo at all, unless if there is some sort of drunkenness that can on, because immediately into chinti laws. Abantu amadlozi, we believe they know everything. They can see the future. Unless if there is a problem, why you brought her to me? You allowed us to do our ritual tizen. And then after that, you say, no, she's not the one. Then after, mind you, it's after 3 years. 3 years, and then after that, that means I'm actually having spiritual connection naye uya understand. And then after 3 years you say Tina, we can have misunderstandings as individuals that has got nothing to do with ethos. Ethos still approved of here and then like they did before, but then mina naye kulala usenemkhuba aseyifundile that I'm disagreeing with.
Okay, Ndabela, I just wanted to know that. Thank you so much. Mkhulu, Punyuka, how important is for Izangoma to embrace self-care, style and presentation?
It's very important. It's like any other. Ubungoma is not a career, so I can't use it as an example. But like any other thing, uma utisha, you dress appropriately. Uti, your students, bahlonipha, you know, mabakuba okay umemlo. Noma ngabe it's weekend during school lessons uyahlonipheka. Even nobungoma, it's the same thing. You need to always look presentable, whether uhamba namakhetla noma uhamba nezalgazi. You need to be mentally stable. If unenkinga, like we keep saying the buzzword, not everything is spiritual. If you're not feeling mentally okay, there's nothing wrong with ukuthi ngiya psychologist, because ezinye izinto into zasemhlabeni. You take self-care, you do that. You look clean, you look presentable.
And smell good.
And smell
Anyway, let me
good.
hear you.
It's good, but let's not be stuck in rituals. A lot of izangoma usuhamba namabhayi wena. Konke wena la uhamba khona usuhlale ufaka ubuhlali. Yes, bakhona ke vele ukuhlala phuma ku. But all we're saying is, remember, i-process esikuyo ye-healing. Kunezinye izinto udokotela womtholi ahamba nengubo zakhe zase-surgery ngaphandle. Yabo kunezinto ekufuneka siyihloniphe kanjalo. Ungabese uba stereotyped kakhulu, meaning you are stuck on rituals ukuthi konke wena la uvela khona. Mina ngifike abantu namanje mangigcoka isuti mina awungeke ubone ukuthi lo muntu
Perfect, man.
lo muntu umuntu nje, because kufuneka ngibe umuntu uphondo luvuka ngesikhathi lakho.
Anyway, cool.
No, ngizohamba enyatheleni zayo le ndoda. Ubungoma nobunyanga, like the only thing manje ebonisa ukuthi ke shuthi ngisebenza ngobungoma noma ngobunyanga is because of uphondo lami nalezi zinto engiyifakile. Other than that ngeke ungibone. Mase ngigezile lapha ngibheke office lapha ya uzibonela nje
Gentleman.
uzranela ibusiness yakhe. But once ngifika esigodlweni, you see a different person, right? Because one, I cannot ngingena esigodlweni ngifake ishort now, for example, yabo ngiyokhulumisa lapha noma ngiyoshisa impepho ngifake ishort. If ngifake ishort, let me put ibhayi.
Okay.
Abantu abadala ukuhloniphisa, and then it's when I can start ngikhuluma izinto noma ngenza izinto.
I've got a follow-up question, but it's okay. Let me hear you.
All right. Bengicela ukuthi ngeke ngithi ugadle ekhaya ncane.
Gadla.
Kulento kanje. 80%, 50%.
Ma ratios la.
50% of abangoma, they don't understand why we put ubuhlalo. Then ubuhlalo buyadifa between ubuhlalo bomuntu oqedile ukuthwasa nomuntu othwasayo. Ubuhlalo bomuntu osathwasa busho inzilo. Busho ukuthi nzilile mina. Nzilile completely. Why? Because umuntu othwasayo ubuhlalo buyisign yokuthi lo muntu usesimeni sikamoya full time.
Kodwa bayasibamba. You.
We understand. But then the problem that we have nowadays ukuthi abantu siyabufaka ubuhlalo. Ufaka ubuhlalo obunye abuphumi. Bunamathambo bunani. And then some of them, they also do sexual intercourse nalo buhlalo. Ma wena wenza mind you ukuthi ubuhlalo lobo wena ubuphahlele wathi lobo bumnyama ngomahla lempini, lobo bomvu ngoba amanzini, lobo bumnyama obugreen ngobathambo lenyoka. Immediately once you are having sexual activity nami and we are changing style, just noting into mahla lentana. You understand that? Because now in presence yakho is there.
Ushintsha istyle kuphi?
Emphasis.
Okay, I want to
You
hear
understand?
that.
When they are doing the scissor style, Utambo Lenyoka is doing his scissor style. Because now in presence yakhe. In presence yakhe. You understand? That's why let me tell you something. Lezinto siyazibika edlozini.
Yeah.
Bomkhulu, this belongs to you. Understand? Each and every time I saw wenza into yabo, uthatha into zabo, uyayifaka to say, I'm now representing you. And then while wena uyenza lento oyenzayo, nabo ufaka into zabo, that when you dedicated those things to them. That means just know ukuthi umanzini na ushaya dog style.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You know what, man?
I had a friend.
Wow.
This friend of mine. Where angithi kunethambo ngifakwa manje.
Rolex.
Yeah, no. He was telling me, he was bragging to me, uncle Mzintombi yakhe. Ithi hey bengisime kulenta.
Athi nakusi.
Uthi besime kulo ithambo.
Nonsense. Okay, my follow-up question is the last one. Then we are closing because I need to do the last one. And today, you know, you're gonna do the last episode with me.
Okay.
Okay, good. I'm glad. You know, this one is the last one. Then we are doing Word of Wisdom. Umkhulu kusamela traveler KZN, right? Yeah, but it's not about that. I know you are a man, darling. When into your pondo, no, I want to understand. Kuna maslay queen. Kuna maslay queen. Then I'm just making an example now. Not that I'm saying whatever, because people they can take it otherwise. Bese ke kuthola ukuthi lo leslay queen lesi si nomoya ukuthi kumele siyothwasa. Basically, where I'm going, ngiyakwimvuma kufa. I want to understand ukuthi imvuma kufa kahle kahle yini. Is it not ukuthi umuye lapha uyafa ubuye songomunye umuntu? That's why I said after the follow-up question. When I was asking you about the embracement of, I wanted to build a rapport. When I come with this question, it will be easy. Imvuma kufa. Yes, Nondabeng.
Okay.
You want more wine?
I'm right.
Okay.
Kulente kanje.
Just hold on. Can I have wine left? Sorry.
Kulente kanje.
Proceed. Can you check wine for me?
How many percentage we're looking at?
50, 60.
That's why you have
Phela ezinye into zifuna uphondo nto.
Hayi isikhathi sophondo siyeza. Isikhathi sophondo siyeza.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kulento kanje. Kuneslay queen. Islay queen uMatsiliso. uMatsiliso ungenwe ngabantu abadala. There will come a time whereby uMatsiliso uyabizwa ngabantu abadala. Angithi asabele uMatsiliso. All right. uMatsiliso mase kasabelile. And then ahambe ayenza the processes. Akusofika lapho kuqala ngemvuma dlozi. From imvuma dlozi kusazofika the process of imvuma kufa. All right. Imvuma kufa it simply means being born again.
Okay. Okay. Kunemvuma dlozi nemvuma kufa.
Yeah.
Okay. Proceed.
All right. So imvuma kufa it simply means being born again. uMatsiliso ma ase yenzelwe imvuma kufa, we don't call him Matsiliso anymore, we call him Umanzini. Why do we call Matsiliso Umanzini? Because we know what we have killed ubani uMatsiliso. The behavior and the character ya Matsiliso is different. That's why we are now calling her ugogo. All right. Laba abanamanzi phangaka apendwe injithi nebhubesi nanani labo imvuma kufa ayihambanga kahle. Umuntu onamankophe ama eyelash angaka imvuma kufa ayihambanga kahle. Isangoma esenzweni imvuma kufa usibona sikhamba siveza amathanga kuvela inkomo imvuma kufa ayihambanga kahle. umuntu ongumkhulu oyenzelwe imvuma kufa ahambe alalela ezif itrophy lento khona ongahambanga kahle ngoba lento ebesiyibulala besibulala uThemba savusa uthambo lenyoka. So we expect to see the characteristics zathambo lenyoka. When we are saying mkhulu, we are now acknowledging the spirit esihleli kuwe esesiphila kuwe.
Wow, I love that, Nondabela. Wow, thank you. Mkhulu wami.
Hey, iyahlupha lento ngoba manje isihamba nedemocracy. But we cannot stop telling the truth.
Yes.
Just because kunamalungelo. A culture is a culture. Ubungomo. It won't change. Kanjani na? Njoba kade esho ukuthi ke you cannot ukuthi umbethwe abantu abadala. Hamba uveza ama cleavage. Uveza amathanga. Right? Ngihamba ngiyinyanga ngihamba ngiyalala. Ngiyinyanga yongifica lapha ngiyadansa ngenza yonke lemkhulu.
Wow.
Do you know ukuthi abantu abadala kahle they don't like umsindo. Akubona abantu abathanda umsindo. The only umsindo that they tolerate igugu. Amapiano no. Yahlangana. But we forgot one thing. It happened ukuthi ngithwasile, right? Ngihambile yonke process. Along the way, because ngithanda le yampilo mina self as a slave queen, ne? Ngithanda ubu slave queen, but ngithwasile. Ngihambe ngiye kumkhulu afika nginikeze something. Abese ngitshela imithetho yalento anginika yona. Athi ke lento umthetho walento ngikunika yona kuze uzoba yilento ofuna ukuba yona. Kufuna ufaka ama miniskirt. Kufuna uyabo uveza umzimba wakho ebantwini. So leyo nto isihamba iyahlangana. Lo muntu uthwasile uyisangoma kodwa uyambona ukuthi akabehaviors kwesangoma, right? Because mase sikhuluma iqiniso, you cannot have ukuthi isangoma esithwasile sishanga enze khona lezi ingaka manje yabo. Kodwa lo muntu uthwasile.
Thank you, Katle. Mkhulu, I'm glad you are a queen here. We'll hear your thoughts, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts.
I think for me now it's different because in Zippo, I've never done them. Eyelashes never done. You know me, the locks, I had them for years. Ngawakhatha 2 years. Bangibuyisela wona futhi ukuthi okay, mele wabuyisela because this is your identity. And it is what it is.
It is what it is.
And but I believe yokuthi mangabe uyisangoma uthwasile ngempela wavuma ukufa wazalwa kabusha wathola igama elisha and yonke into ihambe kahle. About 85% of the people bayazi ukuthi if yonke into ihambe kahle if yonke into ihambe kahle Khehla whatever uyenzayo after that so uphunyuka Mela madloza abe in agreement. So for you to have lenzi pezingaga the eyelashes, there has to be some agreement if yonke into ihambe kahle.
Oh.
You can't be ukuthi uthwasile walphuza walphalaza wenza all these things. Bakuvumele wenza khona into eshodayo.
Wow.
Because I've seen abantu ozovuka edloza keep all these things. Khona lapha iphume konke. Then you know it's okay, they didn't agree to this.
Yeah,
That's why even to this day bangitshela thi phunyuka ungaba ubani inzipha sisifuni this asisifuni and I'm okay ngizaya sharp right.
Thank you. Mavuso.
Makosa. Manje le ama dreadlocks ile nkosi yezangoma.
I'm joking.
Mavuso ya spicy lay down Mavuso. Yeah.
Siyazizwa manje izinto.
Behambe ifake ifile.
All right, Mtia. I think I want to have a different perspective. Yokuthi I had a case before ngizala lo muntu bamvezela imbuzi ezimbili ekufuneke emkele ngazo umsebenzi noma umoya othile. Wathathile imbuzi yena waya kugobela, was interpreter as imvuma kufa, but imvuma dlozi washo uthe usho njalo. So uma ngimchecka mina lo muntu akanabo umgomo. Yes, imbuzi wayiphupha, but we're not supposed to uthatha lezo imbuzi and categorize them as imvuma dlozi because wena awuthwasi, yabona? So yes, imbuzi uyiphuphile, but imbuzi kuwe zisho something else. So ngizama ukuveza ukuthi we are too quick to drive these people aba gifted ukuthi hayi vuma manje hamba uyovuma idlozi just because naye uphupha imbuzi and you know udrivela kuleyo nto le. And as a result, because njengoba sichaza bachaza yona kahle omkhulu nondabela ukuthi kusuke kuvuswa umoya noma umuntu othile lapho ozomele manje wena uze uhlabe imbuzi in this direction noma in this manner, but mangibuzwa ngithi imuphi lo mkhulu othi yamthwasa awazi.
But Mavuso, remember these people, they don't know. And inkinga, me, personally, what I can say now, Abela, because they don't tell the truth. So,
Yeah.
like, as much as thoughts, in kind of izinto la, ezinye asiphuphe niyikhuluma ngitshele namhlanje.
Ezinye asiphuphe.
I think it has. But
Moya omubi.
But yeah, so I think the time is that. But anyway, your word of wisdom, not that let's close the show.
Okay, Mina, what I can say is simple based on the relationships, because the topic of today was about relationships. My advice to you is that now we are living in dangerous times and the society is very corrupted. And this thing is creating problems for us. And as Abela Bendabogo, we need to start standing up. We need to start to take our place in the society now. To say there are problems that cannot be fixed because of farmer rights and all these things, but they can only be fixed by Umela Pwendabo. All right, when it comes to our relationships, like I said, I advise each and every one, ono muntu wake, atandana naye, apila naye, amtandai. Make sure, quote this, make sure. Ukuthi lo muntu mawazi ukuthi uzimisele ngayo. Make sure ukuthi one, mawumphekela ekhaya, ufake ikorobela. Ufake ikorobela, makuyikuthi ulala naye, ucabe futhi ube nesibambelelo. Umnikeze idliso locansi, every time akahlangana nawe uyadla. Number 3, make sure ukuthi umuntu wakho uhlala umkhafula njalo nje. Ungambona ngathi useyaqala ukusangana, angathi usenza into engana uqanjeni, na uhambe ukuthi yesibani banyana, ungakhohlwa mfuna ubehave kanje. Kuzokusiza lokho. Number 4, make sure ukuthi uyamfaka ebhodleleni. Angaze ababona abantu bamapholo bahamba ngamapholo bathi noMavuso athi cha mina no lo, because at the end of the day, yeah, it doesn't, because at the end of the day, what's happening is this. We have got a lot of, South Africa has got the highest divorce rate.
True, I know. I did.
Highest divorce rate. And Islamela Bendabogo babhizi babhodlela emdawo kwathinthini, it's time to say siyavala onke lamanyala. Umuntu nomuntu kadlisa umuntu wakhe.
Thank you. Your word of wisdom.
No. Into bengayisho sesivala kithi mina ke kubalekile ukuthi ke ulazi kusasa la mina imvelaphi, uyazi imvelaphi yakho, then uzazi ukuthi ke ufunani going forward, so that leyo nto uma uwazi la usuka khona kuyoba lula ukuthi ufike phambili la uya khona. Yes.
Okay. The Queen.
Okay, I'll try 3 things. Let's call my relationship.
Yes.
The first thing that I always tell my patients, ukuthi, if uzohlukana noSipho, uchole noPhathanani, notice, pay attention to what changes in your life, financially, mentally, spiritually, and emotionally. Mase kufika uPhathanani. It could be good or bad, because that's how you monitor ukuthi lo muntu ofikile empilweni yakho right, because khona umehluko, the person can be good to you but they're not good for you. So and number 2 is that, like umkhulasho, you need to know who you are. This thing, you know, you shouldn't be lonely. Being single is bad or whatever. There's nothing wrong with it if you're building yourself. You're building who you are. By the time uzohlangana nonondabela sehlangana nendlovukati esevuthiwe, she's oozing emotional intelligence, like sekuyindlovukati ngempela, and useqhumene namadlozi akhe, yonke into iyasebenza. Utheni? Yonke into iyasebenza 85%. Uletha nje.
There's 80%, there's 50%.
Yes, uletha nje le 20%, whatever. Wow. And number 3, as we do the shows, we're talking from our experience, nabantu esihlangane nabo, abalaphi igulane zethu and whatever. Take what works for you.
Thank you.
What doesn't work, ibeke kanje.
And there's nothing wrong.
And there's nothing wrong with it.
Thank you so much. Yes,
Marriage is formed by 2 complete whole people. By whole, I mean this person is independent all by themselves. Akadingi umavuso to complete them. So meaning they've dealt with their crises, they've dealt nama skeletons wabo, they've dealt with issues concerning their gifts and their callings. They understand ukuthi baphethe amakhehle, uphethe ubani, uphethe ubani. Because once you deal with that, usuyazazi wena ukuthi ubani. And once you know who you are, you will be able to identify correctly and align yourself correctly nalo the next person ofuna ukuba naye ku relationship. Because a lot of this mess iyenzeka because when self, you are still on a self-discovery, and you've gone to cling with someone's child. Uthola ukuthi ke manje mase nithola nazana, awazi wena ukuthi mina nginophondo la.
Siyajobeka, siyabonga. Thoughts for me. I hope you had fun with us. Of course, this is season 17. A lot of things are coming. It's going to be beautiful. I think next month it's November, right? Yes. I need to do my last 4 episode of 5 for the year. So I think you guys need to come back wearing tuxedos, looking beautiful. I need a longer table. I think I need to prepare that. So I want to see Nondabella wearing a tuxedo.
Yeah, into zami.
He'll be 90% here.
Yeah, it will be a long table. This one, it won't be here. So wait for the invitation. It's going to be beautiful. I just really can't wait because we won't have the closing because we are going away.
Yes.
So I need to shoot next month that closing for Manches and Thoughts. So it's going to be beautiful. Like, I'm bringing class and elegant. You all know me. So yeah. On that note, this was not for them. It was for us. It's a wrap. And goodbye, darling.
Bye.